To understand our process for the job analysis, we can talk about one of the first things that we wanted to understand. We wanted to understand where the RDs needed to be to fulfill their role. Where do they go to do their job? So, to better understand this, we had discussions with their supervisors, the associate directors, and our facilitator, Dr. Van Wood. He also had conversations with them. So, we took this information and we discussed amongst ourselves in our group and with the rest of our class what all this information meant, what was important, what was more important to include, and we came to the points that we discussed later in the presentation and in the report. So to break down where we were at to do the job analysis, we can talk about all the different points involved. So as I just mentioned, we had our facilitator who would interview the associate directors, and then we had them come in for interviews with us as a class. And we also would have an opportunity to send them questions that we had if it was any pressing matter about gathering the data or just a better understanding of the role. After that, we developed a questionnaire and we narrowed this down within our group at the same time that other consulting groups in our class were narrowing it down. So we took this information and we sent it out to the resident directors to see if our understanding of what was important is important. We asked them about the frequency, we asked them about the importance, and we'll discuss these further in the presentation. So we sent out the data in the questions. We got the questionnaires back, and then we analyzed this together as a group, and then in a larger group with the rest of our class and our facilitator.